The aim of the Zeitgeist movement is to transition into a resource-based economy, which is a new social structure, very different from anything that we've seen prior. It's not social theory. We kind of want to move away from social theories such as socialism or communism and fascism and all of these things that we are traditionally oriented with, and actually begin to apply physical science to the construction of society as a whole. So to put it very simply, a resource-based economy is the intelligent management of all of the Earth's resources for the greater good of humanity as a whole, as opposed to the system we have today, which is based on extremely unintelligent management, constant consumption. In a resource-based economy, consumption, the angle is not to perpetually have consumption, for example. We, in this system, the UK's GDP, America's GDP, every country's GDP is based on how much is bought and sold. Labor, for example, is based on how much consumer demand there is to drive employment. This is a very strange system when you think about the fact that we have finite resources on this planet which need to be preserved, not exploited. So we want to actually reverse the model. What we live in today is really an anti-economy. It's not based on economizing at all. Economizing means to preserve and be strategic. We don't do that. We exhaust and exploit because that's how you drive industry, that's how you drive labor, that's how you drive employment. And this is extremely detrimental. So to put it very simplistically, what we're doing is the reverse of this. We want to create a new social structure where resources are preserved and applied diligently in a holistic approach. We use the term systems theory. If you go into our material at www.thezeitgeistmovement.com, you'll see we constantly talk about the need to assess the planet as a whole and treat it as one unit. And when you start to think that way, you begin to see how governments and these traditional institutions that we hold on to become rather obsolete in their organization. We want to get away from the war-like mentality of everyone fighting each other for labor, everyone fighting each other to be the best economically powerful country, all the corporations battling each other for market share. This is only going to lead to self-destruction.